Guys, if you've still got Blu-rays or DVDs sitting around, they're not always the easiest things to use anymore. You might have films, family videos, training discs or older media that you still want to keep, but every time you need them, you've got to go back to finding the disc, finding a drive, plugging everything in, hoping everything works. But today, guys, we're taking a look at the Leawo Blu-ray Ripper software. And if you want to find out whether it's going to solve those problems, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up, YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Leawo Blu-ray Ripper software, and rather than just playing discs, this is designed to convert Blu-ray discs, Blu-ray folders, ISO files, whatever, into digital video files. So if you want to turn a Blu-ray into something like an MP4, an MKV, an MOV, or an AVI, or maybe another format, this is the tool for you. Now guys, for this video, I'm testing it on my Mac with an external Blu-ray drive. And I'm going to show you the basic workflow, the format options, the title and subtitle controls, and the built-in editing tools. Now, before we get into it, Leawo did send this over to me to take a look at and to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. Now, just a quick note with this kind of software, make sure you are only converting software or content that you're legally allowed to back up or use where you live. Right, let's get into it. For this test, I'm using my Mac, an external Blu-ray drive, and Leawo Blu-ray Ripper software. Now, once the software is installed and activated, you just open up the main interface and go into the Blu-ray Ripper section. From there, the process is pretty simple. Add the Blu-ray disc folder or ISO or disc itself, choose the titles you want, pick the subtitles and the audio tracks, choose the output format, and then start the conversion. That's the whole point here. This is something that's really, really easy to do. You're taking something that normally needs a disc and a drive and turning it into a video file that you can store and play back on many devices. So guys, I'm going to add the Blu-ray as the source. Once it's loaded, Leawo gives you the option to choose what you actually want to convert. And that's useful because you may not want to convert the whole disc. You may only want the main movie or a specific episode or selected extras. So rather than converting everything and wasting storage, you can just pick the parts you actually need. Next up, you can choose subtitles and audio tracks. So if the disc has different languages, commentary tracks, or subtitle options, you can select the ones that you want before creating the final file. And you know what? That's worth checking properly, because once you've waited for the conversion to finish, the last thing you want to have is the wrong audio track or missing subtitles. Then guys, we've got the output format. Now, Leawo supports a wide range of formats, including MP4, AVI, MKV, H.265, MKV, I think I said already, MOV, RMVB, FLV, and you know what? Like loads more. For most people, you know what? I think MP4 or MKV is probably going to be the obvious choices. I mean, MP4 is great for general compatibility, and MKV can be useful if you want to keep more of the original structure and quality. But you know what? You're not locked into one format. You can choose a preset profile, or you can go deeper and adjust things like codec, resolution, bitrate, frame rate, aspect ratio, audio codec, sample rate, and channels. Now, most people won't need to touch maybe any of those settings, but you know what? It's good to have the option, because sometimes you just might want a smaller file, and sometimes you might just want better quality, and sometimes you might need a format that works better on a certain device. Also, guys, you don't have to do this stuff one at a time, right? You can convert multiple titles from the same disc, like using batch conversion. I mean, you don't have to keep doing them all one at a time, which is a great time saver. Well, it saves you having to be monitoring everything and watching it. You can just kind of select what you want, queue it up, and let the software process it. Now, Leawo also includes hardware acceleration, including NVIDIA, CUDA, AMD, APP, and Intel where supported. So depending on your computer and settings, that can speed things up a lot. Now guys, obviously conversion time will always depend on the disc, the length of the video, your machine, and the output quality you choose, but the workflow itself is straightforward. Add the source, choose the content, set the format, choose the save location, and convert. And also there's that built-in editor, like I said, which is handy if you want to make a few quick changes before exporting. So you can trim, crop, rotate, add a watermark, adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation. And you know what? You can change the playback speed. And for those of you out there who are a bit adventurous, there's also a 2D to 3D option, which, you know what, like I said, if you want it, it's there. I mean, although I suspect that trimming and cropping will be most of what people actually use, maybe a bit of colour, I don't know. And I do like having those basic tools inside the same workflow, because if you need to cut the start or end or remove a section or make a quick crop, you don't necessarily want to open it up in a separate editing app just for that. So guys, once everything is set, you choose the output folder and hit convert, and Leawo starts ripping the Blu-ray into the format you've chosen. For me, the useful bit is it keeps the process fairly clear. It's simple. You don't need to be an expert in codecs and sample rates and all the rest of it to use it. But if you want more control, you know what? Those settings are there. And that's the balance I like with this kind of software. Keep it simple for normal use, but don't hide the advanced options for people that need them. So guys, if you've got Blu-rays, folders, or ISO files that you want to turn into digital files, this gives you a practical way to do it on a Mac or a PC. So guys, there you have it. That's the Leawo Blu-ray Ripper, tested on a Mac. And I think the main benefit is fairly simple. It lets you take Blu-rays, Blu-ray folders, or ISO files and convert them into digital formats that are easier to store, move, and playback. You've got a good range of output formats. You've got title selection, subtitle, audio track control, batch conversion, custom profiles, and some basic editing tools. And I like the workflow. It's easy enough to follow without feeling too limited. Load the disc, choose what you want, pick the format, choose where it's going, and convert. So if you've got physical media or archived Blu-ray files you want to make more accessible, Leawo Blu-ray Ripper is definitely worth a look. And guys, at the time of this video going live, check out the Leawo website for the latest offers. I'll also leave any links and any further discounts in the description. And if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. And guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Leawo for sending me this cool software to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.